Hey everyone! Today I'm inviting you on a quick trip to Bolivia, right from your own kitchen. We're making Bolivian cheese empanadas or pastels. These aren't your typical baked empanadas. Pastels are fried, which means they're shatteringly crisp on the outside and gooey cheesy perfection on the inside. Now what makes these so special? It's the magic of simple ingredients. The dough comes together with just flour, water, a little butter or shortening, and a pinch of salt. No fancy techniques, just knead it until it's smooth and springy. Trust me, this dough is a dream to work with, even if you're new to making pastries at home. The filling is where the magic happens. You want something mild and melty? Think mozzarella farmer's cheese, or if you can find it, Bolivian queso fresco. It should be a cheese that transforms into molten gold when it hits that hot oil. So here's how I do it. Roll your dough nice and thin, cut out circles and pile that cheese right in the center. Fold, press the edges to seal and you're ready to fry. Here's your safety heads up. When working with hot oil, keep a thermometer handy and stay close by. I always fry these in small batches just until they're puffed and gorgeously golden. The best part? The finishing touch. In Bolivia, it's totally normal to dust your pastels with powdered sugar. I know it sounds unusual, but that sweet and savory combo is next level. Seriously, don't skip it. Serve these beauties piping hot. They're perfect as a snack for entertaining or even as a fun twist for brunch. One bite and you'll get why pastels are the ultimate Bolivian comfort food. So if you're looking to add something new and delicious to your kitchen repertoire, give Bolivian cheese empanadas a try. Let me know how yours turn out. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next tasty adventure.